Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create a realistic spray effect in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, open the Layer panel, or press F7. Double-click on the background layer to unlock. Then create a blank layer. Go to the Brush tool. I am using this soft round brush. Adjust its size. And adjust the foreground color to white. And apply. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click on it, and choose Perspective. Hold the top anchor point and turn it downward. Then select the rectangular marquee tool. Select the half part, and delete. Press Ctrl+T. And drag it from one corner. Adjust it, and set it like this. Then change its blend mode to dissolve. And create a layer via copy or press Ctrl+J. And change its blend mode to normal. Hold the Shift key, and select both layers. Right-click on it and choose Merge Layers. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.